Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Mama Rainbow, well-known veteran actress, made a wonderful announcement on her Instagram account. She was given a car by Arkview Homes, a real estate firm, and she chose to celebrate it with her fans and Nollywood celebrities. She thanked her fans and announced the car gift from Arkview Homes in her post. She expresses her gratitude and appreciation for their thoughtful gesture. She also thanked Dari Melody, a well-known gospel singer, and the entire team, and she pleaded with her fans to follow them on Instagram. Dari Melody was the one who blessed the car and gave it to her so she could start driving it.
I present this car to you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thank God.
Fans and celebrities from the Nigerian film industry have also congratulated her on her latest achievements. The son of MC Oluomo, the chairman of the Lagos chapter of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, took to Instagram to respond to Nigerians who call his father a tout. In his post, King West praised his father's attributes and advised those who labeled him a tout to seek out a father like his.